Is going to crack you up. When a Utah highway trooper pulled over a car that was swerving in and out of lanes, he was shocked to discover who was behind the wheel.
All right. How old are you? You're 5 years old. Wow.
Yes, he was 5 years old. The Utah Highway Patrol says the boy got mad after his mom says she wouldn't buy him a Lamborghini.
Oh,
so while his parents were at work, he just slipped away from his sibling, grabbed his parents' car keys, and set out, determined to drive to California and buy himself a Lamborghini.
Wow.
He was upset. He was on the verge of tears. And it was short one answers that he gave. Parents said that he'd not driven before. This was the first time he'd done anything like this.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
The boy made it 2 miles from his home before getting pulled over. How he planned to pay for the Lamborghini isn't quite clear yet. He only had $3 on him.